Forgot your own phone number? It happens to the best of us, especially with a new iPhone or a fresh eSIM. I'm going to show you exactly where it's hidden in your settings, plus one hidden shortcut that's even faster than the settings app. First, hop into your settings, scroll down until you see apps, then keep going until you hit phone, tap on that, and now look for the field labeled My Number. Your active digits will be right there. I've got mine blurred for privacy, but yours will be as clear as day. Now, if you want that shortcut I mentioned, just open your phone app, tap Contacts, and scroll all the way to the very top. Your own My Card will show your number instantly. If this saved you a headache, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Ever wonder how to clear all app data and cache on your iPhone? Watch this video now.